play with a dog. Don't play with a dog. Be the silence, babe. Still not understanding this logic. Back and I'm better. I want you.
Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. So today we are making egg roll, but guess what guys, we are using our Buns mix. Okay, someone asked me if we can use our Buns mix to make egg roll. This is your answer. This is an extra crunchy and delicious egg roll. Stay tuned. So guys, yeah, today we are making egg roll. Okay, I know for sure you'll be wondering, why is the table very few, or why is there no like all the ingredients? We are all the ingredients. That's because we are using our Buns mix. Okay, so if you haven't seen a video where we mix this, okay, go back and I will put the link in the description, as well as every other link I think you will be needing for other videos. Okay, but then we are using our Buns mix. That's because everything is already mixed in this jar. Okay, so this is the jar we use for buns. So the extra ingredients, which is the wet ingredients we are going to be adding, is some of this simmered margarine, some milk, and then 1 whole egg. Okay, so for the right measurement of all the ingredients, please go to the description box and I'll keep them there. Okay, so let's go. So yeah, I have my hard-boiled egg. Okay, so this, I'm using 5 eggs. Yeah, I have it, and I'm just going to go ahead and continue this process. So in a bowl, I'm going to add 2 cups of my Buns mix. We already have everything here, so I'm adding 2 cups in there. Okay, so next I'm going to add my margarine. So for the measurements, please just check the description, everything is going to be there. So for this, you don't need a lot of margarine. Okay, you don't need a lot of margarine. The reason you don't need a lot of margarine is because margarine tends to like give you this richness that will make it crack. Okay, but you don't want your egg roll to like crack too much because you are not making buns. And also you can't add too many margarine because this is not a baking recipe, this is a frying recipe. When you add too much margarine, you are going to end up with your egg roll soaking oil. Okay, imagine you adding oil to oil, because margarine it tends to like soften up and turn to oil, so that's not what you want. So I have that well incorporated. I'm going to add my egg now. So yeah, I have my whisked egg. I'm going to add this and then add my milk in bits. Okay, so there's a consistency I'm going for. Like I said, check the description for the exact measurements you'll be needing. So there's a consistency I'm going for. For that reason, I'm not going to just put all of my milk like that. Okay, so you want to keep mixing until you get a dough. Okay, so I'm just going to add the rest of my milk. I'm going to give this a good mix, and then I'll pass to my work table and continue my kneading. So now on my work table, I'm just going to give this a pretty good mix. Okay, so you don't really want to over knead this. Okay, you don't want to over knead, but still you need to knead to get all of the milk, the egg, and everything well incorporated. Okay, but still I'm not over kneading, I'm just pressing my hands on it. I'm not doing it the way you want to do your CHINCHIN kneading or any other pastry that needs a lot of kneading. Okay, using donut as an example. So you just want to fold this in, give it a good mix. So I'm not pressing hard, at all. Like I said, you just need a very like well mixed dough, but you don't want it to be too mixed or stretchy in any way. Okay, you are making buns, you are not making donuts or chinchin. So guys, this is what I have here. So I'm just going to fold this in so I can cut and have a good shape. So you can see how easy this is. That is because we use our Buns mix. Okay, I can't, as in any way I think I can have mixture on ground, I always go for it because it shortens my work time. Like, it gives you room to do other things. Okay, so this is it. This is what I got. So this is everything. So as you can see, I'm just trying to get a straight line. Okay, so what I'm going to do, because I have 5 eggs here, I'm going to try to cut this in 5 just so I can have 5 stuff to cover. Okay, so I think this is okay. So now I'm going to cover my eggs. Here are the eggs. They are hard-boiled egg, okay, fully cooked. Okay, so I'm just going to sprinkle some flour on my hand just so that I can get this done easily. So I'm going to like try to create a well in the middle of this. So here's what I'm doing, and I'm going to take my egg, just coat it in some flour, and then I'm going to add this in there. Okay, so like so. Because I don't want excess, I don't want there to be any excess. I don't have more eggs. Okay, so I'm just going to like try to fold this in just like so. So there are several ways to make egg roll, but I wanted to take note of this first one I'm showing you, because in the future you'll be getting more and more recipes on how to make your perfect egg roll. So there you can choose whichever one works for you. Today, remember, we are using our Buns mix. Okay, so that's what we are using to achieve this particular one. So if you have been watching my videos and you like the Buns mix, you like how it tastes, go ahead and incorporate it with add some eggs and make it your egg roll or egg buns. Okay, so as you can see, this is what we have here. Like I said, you want to cover it very well, like just manipulate it and cover it very well, like so. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and do the rest of them. So like I mentioned, you want to like give it a O. So I'm actually looking for like the smoothest part to use. So I think this is smooth, so I'm just going to use the rough part inside. So you want to add your egg and fold like so, just to cover up everything. So normally you want to like pinch out and maybe cut the excess, but because I don't want to waste it, I don't want to end up having excess dough when I don't have more eggs to wrap. So I'm just going to try to maintain it like so. You can see I don't have more, as in I don't have a lot of rough hands, because this is like a hard dough stuff. So you can mix any way you want, but like I said, in the future we'll be doing more and more recipe. So for today we are doing this. So I'll just go ahead and wrap the rest of them. I hope you have gotten the wrapping already. I will be back to show you what we did. So guys, at this point we were done wrapping all of the 5 eggs. Okay, so it's time to fry. As you can see, my oil is not really bubbling, like it's not very hot. This is on a medium. Okay, so you don't want your heat to be too much, because you need your egg roll to cook inside. You don't want all of the skin to be brown, and when you open inside it's going to be like raw. Okay, so you want to cook on a low or a medium heat, not too low, just so that the egg roll doesn't soak up the oil, but you want it to be medium. Okay, not high and not low. And also you want to stay close, just to stir and stir, just so all of the areas can be evenly cooked. Okay, you don't want to go out, you don't want to leave this to cook on its own. You want to stay close and stir around. Okay, like I said, this recipe is made with our Buns mix. Okay, so it's a really crunchy but extra tasty. Like, I am very deliberating on that extra, guys. Like, it was very good. Okay, this is something you want to try, just to do something different. Stop buying ego, that's it. This is really nice, and it's very stress free. Using the Buns mix make it very stress free. Okay, go ahead and explore, do this, and let me know in the comment section if this is something that you would love to try. So guys, you can see the cracks I was having. I love it, by the way. Okay, remember, this is a very rich egg roll. It is really nice. So guys, if you are going to be trying this, please don't hesitate. Just let me know how it go, how you love it. I really like to see you all try my recipe, so please let me know in the comment section. Once you make it, don't hesitate to come and tell me, oh, I made it and how it tastes. Okay, so thank you guys.
I no go stop, I no go settle. My light is never gonna die. Don't I go fire any devil. My life is forever gonna shine. Before them